Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel GyaanTech. Today I'm unboxing and fully testing the AULA F99, the compact 96/98% RGB mechanical keyboard that's tri-mode, hot-swappable and built for both work and gaming. Let's see if it's worth your money. Which keyboard are you using right now? Drop the name in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome tech content. Thanks for watching this video.